BMW 7 Series has not so long ago been given a fresh face, and I've not really driven one since its facelift. So when the opportunity to drive this stunning Donnington Grey 740D xDrive came up, albeit only for a short drive, I jumped at the opportunity. But before we continue, if you'd like to see the 7 Series in more detail, please use the link in the top of the screen. The 7 Series is BMW's halo model, its showstopper. It features the latest and greatest technology, as well as the most sophisticated driving dynamics of any current model in the range. To my eyes, the 7 Series looks classy and elegant, especially in this colour during golden hour in the beautiful rolling Shropshire hills. And I could not imagine it with smaller kidney grills. They suit the car down to a T, and the road presence that they give off is superb. But do you like the new large kidney grills or not? Use the link in the top of the screen to cast your vote. This model is an M Sport, which finishes the 7 Series off brilliantly. Now that's enough talking. Let's jump behind the wheel and see if the 7 Series drives as well as it looks. The BMW 7 Series is just sublime. It's serene, it's opulent, it's everything you'd expect from a BMW GKL flagship. It's just a beautiful place to sit. And all the technology, all of the driving assistance is spot on. It really is. The BMW 7 Series is the real pinnacle of BMW's technology here and now. This is a 740D. Normal wheelbase, you can get these in long wheelbase, but this is the 740D. And I don't think you need anything more than this ever. I mean, it's just... the power is... it's a different kind of power. It doesn't feel like it punches you in the back of the neck. It's just a soothing surge of power. It's a waft. The power delivery in this is so different to any other BMW. It's just serene. And this has got such an array of technology, it blows your mind. Now, this has the semi-autonomous driving. So all I need to do is press the little button down here, and it will now read the lines on the road, and you can take your hands off. Now, you do need to try and keep a pressure point on the steering wheel for safety. The car will deactivate the system if you don't. But yeah, we're coming up to some S-bends here now, and well, let's see if this can handle that. I've never actually tried this, okay? I've used this system before, but never on a bend like this. So, keep your hand on the pressure point. Yeah. It knows what it's doing. It's a bit scary at first when you first do it, but it's doing it. Now I'm keeping my hand on the pressure point just so it knows I'm still here. Yeah, let's turn it off because I like to be in control. Yeah, I mean, this is the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. It drives so beautifully. The suspension is so supple. I'm in Shropshire at the minute, and the potholes in the roads are just terrible pretty much everywhere, as they always are this time of year, but this thing is just beautiful. And that Donnington Grey paintwork on the outside, oh, it's to die for, especially in the light that I've got today. It's pretty much been sunset all day. It's just a beautiful blend of oranges and yellows everywhere at the minute, which is rare for this time of year in this country. Normally it's just absolutely throwing it down with rain all the time. But how would I sum up the 7 Series then? It is sublime. Absolutely sublime. It really is, whether you're sat in the driver's seat, the passenger seat, all those back seats, no matter where you are in this car, you are cocooned by luxury and, wow, exuberance. It's spot on, this. It really is. And I'll finish on saying, I like those grills on the front. I do really like them. I think they suit the car down to a T. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Rybrook TV for plenty more content just like this to come.